So the question number 39. The adjoining diagram shows the spectral energy density distribution E lambda of a black body at the two different temperatures. If areas under the curves, if the area under the curves are in the ratio of 16:1, then the value of temperature T is okay. So this type of curve is given to us. This one is lambda, okay. This one is 2000. This is T Kelvin, okay. So we can write down it as 16/1, okay. So area under this E and lambda represent the emissive power of the body, okay. So that is proportional to temperature to the power 4, okay. So we can say that it is proportional to temperature to the power 4. So we can say A will be equals to T by 2000 to the power 4, okay. So it will be equals to 16/1 is equals to T to the power 4 divided by 2000 to the power 4, like this, okay. So now we can take power 1/4, so it will be equals to 2. So 2 is equals to T divided by 2000. So it is T will be equals to 4000, okay. So if you see the options, option number 1 is correct, 4000 Kelvin. 4000 Kelvin. Now we will move on to question number 40, okay. In question number 40, which of the following circular rods given radius r, length L, each made of the same material and whose ends are maintained at the same temperature will conduct the most heat? Following circular rod not given. Okay, so actually from the options we have to check, okay. So actually we know that Q by T, rate of heat flow, is proportional to R square by L, okay. So now we have to see from the options R square by L. So for which one it is maximum? For third one, okay. So we can say that third option is correct for question number 40. Now question number 41. The maximum wavelength of the radiation emitted at 900 Kelvin is 4 micrometer. What is the maximum wavelength emitted at 1200? We know that lambda m into T is constant. So we can say lambda so in first case it is 4, temperature is 900 is equals to lambda dash into temperature is 1200, okay. So it will be 300, so it is lambda dash, so 3 micrometer is the answer, okay. So if you see the options, question number 41, option number 4 is correct, okay, 3 micrometer. Now question number 41. So now question number 42, okay. So in question number 42, a wall has the two layers A and B made of different materials. The thickness of both the layers are same. The thermal conductivity of A and B are Ka and Kb, such that K is given as 3 times of Kb. K is equals to 3 times of Kb, okay. The temperature across the wall is 20 degrees Celsius. In thermal equilibrium, they are asking the rate of heat transfer through A is more than that of B, okay. So we have to find out the correct option. So we can write on it as, we can consider this is A, this is A, this one is B, okay. Ka, this is Kb, thermal conductivity. So we can say that rate of heat flow is Ka into area, theta 1 minus theta divided by thickness is L. We can consider this length is L. It will be equals to KB into A theta minus theta 2 divided by L. Okay, so after solving this, and according to the question they have given K is equals to 3 times of KB. So in the place of K, I can add on 3 times of KB. Okay, so it will be equals to 3 times of KB. The A will cancel out. Theta 1 minus theta is equals to KB theta minus theta 2. Okay, so after solving this, you will get theta 1 minus theta equals to 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, so question for question number 42, option number 3 will match. So the answer is option number 3. Now question number 43. So in question number 43, is, while measuring the thermal conductivity of a liquid, we keep the upper part hot and lower part cool. So which of the following it is easier to and more convenient to do so? Radiation may be stopped, convection may be stopped. So the question number 43 answer is option number 4. Now question number 44. The total energy radiated from a black body source is collected for 1 minute and is used to heat a quantity of water. The temperature of water is found to increase from 20 degrees Celsius to 20.5. So 20 degree Celsius to 20.5 degrees Celsius. So change in temperature is 0.5 degrees Celsius. If the absolute temperature of the black body is doubled and the experiment is repeated, the same quantity of water at 20 degrees Celsius, the temperature of water will be. So the new temperature of water they are asking. Okay, so see this. We know that total heat radiated is proportional to T to the power 4. Okay, so Q2 by Q1 will be equals to 2T by T to the power 4, because final temperature is twice, so it will be equals to 16. So Q2 will be equals to 16 times of Q1. Okay, now this we can compare with Q2 will be equals to MS theta minus 20. Okay, change in temperature, so specific heat. Okay, so this we can add on as Q2 by Q1 will be equals to theta minus 20 divided by 0.5. So theta will be equals to 28 degrees Celsius. Okay, so the answer is 28 degrees Celsius. So option number 1 will match. Now question number 45. So question number 45. The hot and the cold body are kept in vacuum separated from each other. Which of the following cause decrease in temperature of hot body? Okay, so in vacuum we know that only radiation is possible. So the answer is option number 2. Okay, thank you.